Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN.finance, currently ranked at 147 with a market cap of $222 million. Today we would be looking at what is the 2023 realistic price target right here for YEARN.finance. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. We started by saying that we are currently looking at the altcoin season index, right, for a lot of coins, and currently this is the first time in 2023, as you can see right here, which we are crossing right at the 75% mark. So this is the first month we are having of the altcoin month, and this is very, very bullish for a lot of altcoins as we are about to push into altcoin season, which will have us see a lot of altcoins go astronomically push, see an astronomical push to the upside. And that's why we want to see what is our target, at least for YEARN.finance. And we are on the chart for YEARN.finance versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame, and KuCoin is the data source. And to do that, we would just be looking at our 2023 data, right? So right here from 1st of January right down to where we are currently, and just using the Fibonacci prediction tool, we would be drawing from the top of 2023 to the bottom for 2023, and we would be exploring that. So over the next few days, the minimum we are expecting for YEARN.finance is right here at the 31,979. So currently from where we are, we could see a whopping push of about 377% for YEARN.finance or YFI. So we could see a 377%, which will see us at the $31,979 range right here for YFI, as we are about to see a very, very huge altcoin season coming soon, which is showing in every single metrics. And so we are about to see a very huge push to the upside right here for YEARN.finance over the next few weeks. So that is what we're expecting, and we would be tracking this on a daily. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click like, subscribe, as we would be giving you daily updates as regards it. So thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.